Chicken is a staple in African American cuisine and has been for generations. In this video, we're going to explore the history behind this cultural phenomenon and how it became such an important part of African American culture. It's hard to say exactly why chicken became so popular among African Americans, but there are a few theories. First, during slavery, chicken was one of the few foods that slaves were allowed to raise for themselves. This meant that they could have a small measure of independence and control over their own diet. As a result, chicken became a symbol of freedom and empowerment. In the mid-1800s, African American cooks began experimenting with new ways to prepare chicken, such as stewing, roasting, and baking. Chicken was often used in medicinal remedies during the 19th century, and African American slaves would use chicken broth to treat common ailments. Second, during the Jim Crow era, many restaurants and diners would refuse to serve African Americans. However, there were a few places that would sell fried chicken to go. This meant that African Americans could have a hot meal on the go, and chicken became associated with convenience and accessibility. In the early 1900s, the term fried chicken millionaire was used to describe African Americans who owned chicken restaurants. The popularity of fried chicken has spread around the world, with many different cultures putting their own spin on the dish. For example, while stationed in Korea for the war in the 1950s, a few black MPs taught some locals how to make fried chicken, and today Koreans are known for their fried chicken. Finally, chicken was just plain delicious. African American cooks had a talent for seasoning and frying chicken to perfection, and it quickly became a favorite comfort food for many. In the early 1800s, chicken was considered a luxury food that was only served on special occasions, such as weddings or religious celebrations. It wasn't until the mid-20th century when advances in agriculture made it more widely available. In conclusion, the history behind why African Americans love chicken is a complex and fascinating one. Whether it's because of the small bit of independence it offered during slavery, the convenience it provided during Jim Crow, or simply because it tastes so good, chicken has become an important part of African American culture. Next time you enjoy a plate of fried chicken, take a moment to appreciate the history and cultural significance behind it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts and opinions.